Dark wings in the night. In 1976, 7 children disappeared into the haunting Cornish woods, leaving behind a secret that refuses to die. Witnesses recounted a creature with 8-foot wings and eyes burning like coals, a terrifying presence that blurred the lines between folklore and reality. Mawnan, Cornwall became the stage for an unspeakable tragedy when 12-year-old June Tremaine froze in fear on that fateful June night. Authorities covered up darker secrets lurking beneath the surface as evidence faded and whispers of conspiracy grew. Retired photographer Don Chapman recalled, "It moved like no bird should, capturing an image that haunts every frame of our investigation." New evidence surfaced when a modern construction site revealed thermal images of a towering figure with outstretched wings. Workers abandoned their posts after witnessing inexplicable heat signatures and fresh talon marks etched into ancient trees. Meanwhile, a 14th century manuscript ominously warned, "When stone bites earth, the Ulaketh rises," linking past horrors with today's mysteries. As dusk fell, a determined team embarked on a 3 a.m. investigation. EMF readings spiked and temperature plummeted, unraveling nature's secrets one eerie moment at a time. The evidence challenges official narratives and binds generations with its chilling resonance. With each discovery, the mystery deepens, an unsolved riddle that begs for your insight. Do we confront the terror or allow it to vanish into myth? Comment investigate if you believe the truth is waiting in the darkness. And join us as we uncover part 2 of Britain's winged terror. The legend endures, urging us to explore the unknown. Your curiosity fuels our quest. A journey into Britain's eerie secrets awaits.